There was request for Bitcoin video, and since last video on Bitcoin there is no big change because Bitcoin you can trade on higher time frame like weekly, monthly, on daily, but on intraday time frame like H1 or 5 minute you cannot trade Bitcoin like gold. You cannot trade Bitcoin same like gold. So that is the problem. And first focus on monthly time frame. This was your bottom, and this bottom was made during coronavirus. It went up on Fed QE monetary policy, and one thing is most important, that previous bottom survived and it went up on QE monetary policy, it came down on QT monetary policy, and after that vertical upside correction it is ready to go up. So bad days for Bitcoin are over, and first minimum target is 50% retracement from top to bottom. That's mean 42240. This is your first minimum target. If you are investing in Bitcoin, then this is your first minimum target. And this year you have rate cut trend. It will start this year either September or December, and which will be decided by CPI this week. Otherwise we will have to wait till next FOMC meeting. But main thing for Bitcoin is not rate cut, it is QE monetary policy. They did temporary QE this year, that is why it went up almost vertical. Next year 2024 they will do same QE like they did in 2020. So price can hit that level this year, not a big problem, but you will have to wait till fourth quarter this year. But next year 2024 you will see new all-time high, and this time it will not stop before 100k. And now if you see weekly time frame, then 50% retracement can be your resistance, our first minimum target. But I think key level will be 48555 because this is horizontal level, is fifth retracement level. So until price hit that level, you should trade with bullish bias, impulsive wave up, then correction, up, correction, then up, until we hit that level. And if we go to lower time frame like daily, then from this bottom when FTX was collapsed, first impulsive wave 135 are complete. You can call it wave A, correction wave B 50%. Right now we are in next impulsive wave, and you can call it 5 impulsive wave, and 5 wave are completed. Right now we are in correction, and if price goes below 38% retracement of this last wave, that's mean below 26655, then you can buy. Below that level you can easily buy because that will be your first support, and next 25302, this is your next support. So this area is your buy zone, and since we are near bottom and I have shown you on higher time frame, it will go up this year and next year 2024. So near bottom you can expect a FOMO buying, and these are big player. They buy but they do not take profit before 1 or 2 years. So if you consider that FOMO buying, then this can be your possible triangle chart pattern, and it is almost complete. And if it break upper trend line, then breakout will confirm and it will make new higher high. And for news, because they give you timing, right now Fed interest rate is 5%. They are doing QT, that's mean reducing balance sheet size, and this vertical price action was their temporary QE, and Fed will do temporary QE once again. Be ready, and if they do again, then Bitcoin will go vertical, because this is new trend of central bank: hike interest rate and print money at the same time, and then say we do not know source of inflation. So be ready for the temporary QE, and we do not know what will be the time, but this can happen before next FOMC meeting. So as a beginner trader on daily time frame, this area is your key horizontal support zone. In this area, a price come, then you can buy, or upper trend line of this chart pattern breaks, then you can buy.